Did you know that incorporating just one type of food into your diet can potentially add years to your life? Studies suggest that eating more legumes can improve longevity and overall health. Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that offer extraordinary health benefits. And today, we're focusing on one that stands out for its remarkable ability to promote longevity. This particular food is gaining attention for its impressive nutritional profile and the scientific evidence supporting its role in extending lifespan. The relationship between diet and longevity has become a significant area of research, with scientists eager to understand how what we eat influences how long we live. There's a growing recognition of the importance of nutrition in maintaining health and preventing disease, driving interest in specific foods that can make a real difference. The food we're highlighting is the humble legume, which includes beans, lentils, and peas. Legumes are rich in protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals, making them an excellent addition to a longevity-focused diet. Studies have shown that consuming legumes regularly can lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. For example, one study found that high legume consumption was associated with a significantly reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Another study found that a diet rich in legumes could help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Incorporating legumes into your daily diet can have a profound impact on your overall health and longevity. By adding legumes to your meals, you could experience improved blood sugar control, healthier cholesterol levels, and even weight management. This could translate into a reduced risk of age-related diseases and a longer, healthier life. For instance, swapping out refined grains for legumes or adding a serving of beans to your salad can make a significant difference over time. As people look to make lifestyle changes that promote longevity, adding legumes to their diet is a simple yet powerful step. Many nutrition experts and researchers emphasize the importance of legumes in promoting a longer life. A renowned expert on longevity notes that a diet rich in legumes, whole grains, and vegetables can help you live a longer, healthier life. This endorsement underscores the significance of legumes in a longevity-focused diet. To sum up, incorporating legumes into your diet can have a profound impact on your health and longevity. With their rich nutritional profile and the scientific evidence supporting their benefits, legumes are a simple yet powerful addition to a healthy lifestyle. We'd love to hear about your experiences with legumes. Have you noticed any positive changes in your health since adding them to your diet? Let us know in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about healthy eating and longevity, be sure to check out our video on the ancient diet that reverses aging, and see you in the next video.